Hey, what's up guys? My name is Benkei. Today let's talk about another operation for the list. Sorting a list. I will cover three functions here today. One is sort, another is sorted, and the third one is reverse. So first, let's talk about the sort. So first I defined a list that's string based, say car makes, Honda, Toyota, and Ford. So I sort this list, then I print it out. I have another list number based, so I'll do the same thing. So let's run it. As you can see, for my string based list, the elements are sorted by the first letters F, H, and T. For the number based list, it starts with smallest number 369. So let's talk about another function, sorted. Before I go to sorted, as you can see that if I use sort function here, my original list will be changed permanently. As you can see, I print a mix, This is my original mix, this is my changed mix. So that means the sort function already changed the order in this list. So I have another function called sorted. Sorted function is different. So it's only temporarily changed the list. So let me copy this list here. Say this is my sorted. So sorted. This is my sorted list. And I still want to check back my original mix, right? So it's right. Okay, I got some errors. So let me comment this chunk of code. Let me run it again. Okay, here's my original list result. Here's my sorted. So when I check back my original list, as you can see, it still remains the same. That means my sorted function only temporarily sort a list. So that's the function for sorted. So let me comment this chunk. So let's talk about the reverse. Let me still copy the list here. Mix.reverse. Let's run it. Here's my original list. Here's my reversed list. As you can see, the order, the elements are reversed, right? So let me, what if I have a number, say 1931. So number dot reverse. Print number, print number. Right. As you can see that on my original list, 931 was reversed 139, right? Okay, thank you so much for watching today.